Hi guys, welcome to the video. Today I'm using these new MAKKART tips to create some lovely Easter egg nails. Now I'm going to buff these nail tips in 1, 2, 3 and they're done. And the next thing I'm going to do is start painting on the first part of each nails. So the design I'm going for today are French tip nails but with a twist, as the pink part of the nail are going to be different types of Easter eggs with different patterns and designs on them. To switch up the colours, I'm using green for this French tip nail. And these two last nails are not going to be French tips, I'm just going to paint them yellow and add some pretty glitters on them. These tips I'm using right now are ones I just found on Amazon, so I just wanted to try them out. Now using this brush, I'm just cleaning up the edges to make it more curved. So now I have finished with cleanup, I'm going to start painting the second layer on each of the nails. And now I have finished painting the second coat on the French tip nails. I'm going to paint the second coat on these two yellow nails and add glitter all over them. And here is the glitter I'm using, which is a mix of yellow and orange. And now I'm just gonna sprinkle it on top. Now I'm gonna dust off the remaining glitter back into the pot. And now they are all cured, I'm going to start painting the white part of the French tip nail. So now I'm going to start the design, and the first thing I'm going to do on the first nail is polka dots, which I'm using purple and white. Place the dots. I used a dotting tool, and I think I used like a medium size. So for the green nail, I'm doing like a squiggly line across using yellow, and then I'm gonna put pink dots in between. For the last nail, all I done was put lines and added dots, so now I'm going to start painting on top coat to all of the nails. And again, every time I use glitter on press-on nails, I have to use a little bit more top coat to make sure it doesn't spike up or anything. So now these nails are complete, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe.